Where is Unity going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on Unity software stock? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecasts, and outlooks, all below 2 minutes time. Let's get into the sauce. With Unity, like this is like nobody else, right? This is what I predicted in the past. I predicted these upside moves. If we came into the zone from here on, I was bearish, and this is what has actually been going. This is what's going on, right? And let me show you proof. I have proof of everything. Do not try me. This was 3 months ago, and let's watch the video. So if we start to break below this low, then was the only time when I'm going to be bearish, but bullish here. You can see what's actually going on. I mean, I was following the whole kind of system down, and this is what's actually. I'm not saying it's going to go to what $21, right? This is just my perspective and opinion. Keep in mind, I've made 12,500 videos in the last 3 years, and on the last 8 to 8 months, actually 7 to 8 months, have actually started to seeing immense success with this strategy, like hundreds and hundreds of wins, and 400 to 500 wins. So yeah, what? Let me know what is your opinion on you, or just this Unity stock. Overall, this is the kind of the link. Let me just paste the link here. Lower time frame, I'm genuinely still expecting this price to kind of continue and deliver below the lows. I'm not going to clutter the chart that much. Okay, I'm going to keep it simple. Bearish to the lows. Let me know what is your opinion. This is fantastic.